Google Photos now has a button called Ask, and it is using AI to search your photos in a conversational way. It does everything that old search used to do, and then some. I want to give you a few examples. First of all, it only works on the mobile devices. The computer web-based version of Google Photos is still using the basic search. So in Google Photos, you tap Ask. And for example, I will say, what food did we eat in Italy? And I tap the little go arrow, and it searches through my over 100,000 pictures, and it talks to me. Here's a taste of the foods you enjoyed in Italy: pasta with truffles, pizza, sandwiches, artichokes. And here are the best match photos. And yeah, that's pretty good showing of what we ate in Italy. And then here are even more photos of food we ate in Italy. Another example, what pictures best show my childhood? You know, that would take me a long time to look through and decide. Let's see what it does. What pictures best show my childhood? Best match. And yeah, these are all pretty cool. And I don't know that I would have thought of all of these. Then we go to all of the pictures of my childhood. Now, how does it know that? I didn't ask for specific years or anything. It knows my face, and it knows what a young face looks like, I guess. These photos from the 1950s and early 60s, and it talks to you. Then I can ask a follow-up question. How about my high school years? And sure enough, it gives a pretty good approximation of my high school years and photos from that time. Now, some of these are not correct, but that's because they have incorrect dates on them. Another one, how about best pictures of U.S. national parks? It's thinking more. There's the Tetons, there's Yellowstone National Park, Big Bend National Park. Those are all pretty good. Oh, this is Volcano National Park just recently. You know, not all of them are perfect, but is that faster than would have taken me to find national park pictures? And then you can follow up. You can limit more. For example, how about national parks in the eastern USA? Because most of these are in the west. You bet. Shenandoah. Barnegat Lighthouse State Park. Now, I said national parks, so it's not perfect. You still have to go through and kind of decide what you want. How about I know there was a national park in Maine, so I'm going to specifically ask it about that. There we go. That's Acadia National Park. So I hope that gives you just an idea of what you can do with the new Ask feature in Google Photos. I'm Guld with Geeks On Tour.